This Mother's Day is going all around.
No, sir.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Alright, guys. Good morning. It's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. We love you and appreciate your contribution to this world. So, Tami, her only wish for Mother's Day is to sleep in and for me to just deal with everything. So, the babies are awake. The younger set. Come in, Ozzy. You hear that? Dad. So, tag it.
Daddy.
Yes, Wookie? Huh? What happened? Atlas? How was your sleep?
Good.
You up?
Good.
You up and running? Your sleep was good?
Yes.
Oh, good stuff.
Daddy,
Yeah?
can we do a bouncy castle today like we did the last time?
Last Mother's Day?
Dad?
I don't know. Maybe. Hey.
Okay.
Hi, Momsy.
Hey, Mom.
How are you doing?
Dada,
Are you okay?
to show you. That's all.
Alright, so I have some morning chores to get
Yes,
to.
you do. Because
Feed the dog and all kind of something. So. And the post such a must stress me out from morning. What happened? You join?
Yeah.
That looks so cool.
That's it.
Circle.
This is.
Circle.
This is.
Yeah, circle. Yeah, good girl.
Apple.
Apple? It looks like an apple. Good drawing.
Up.
Who's daddy star girl?
Wait. Oh.
Apple. Oh, that's good sounding out, my son. Apple.
Dad, you know how first he goes in, first the apple goes around, then we draw it right, then the round thing on top of it, then the leaf on top of it.
You got it.
Good morning. Do you hear that? It's peace and quiet. Wayne got up with the kids family today. So I have just been in bed. I don't know what time it is. It is almost 8 o'clock. And I've just been relaxing in bed, doing absolutely nothing. But I'm about to go downstairs and help out with breakfast because, I don't mind doing that. Yeah, anyway, it's really nice to be lying in. I hope all you mommies are having or had a beautiful day. And I hope you got some time to just relax a little. I've been saying all week that we don't need a whole day to ourselves, even though that would be nice. We just need a couple hours to just do what we want to do. So, and to do it guilt-free, that would be key. Momo isn't here. I hope that she's having a very restful Mother's Day at home. And I hope that Brian and Bob are spoiling her today. I'll definitely call her and check in. Anyway, maybe I'll just take 10 more minutes. Yeah, let me do that. I just hear a pot move. Lord Jesus, we go see where I'm going, yeah. Thanks, Wayne.
Look who we have here up and running and on the iPad as you wake up. No good morning, no happy Mother's Day, no hello, how are you?
Oh, well, you're not my mother, so.
Okay, you have a
Tell you
point
happy
there, but
Father's Day, I'm happy father.
is there everything
Daddy,
good?
look how my thing came. So lucky. I want a bounty water castle today. I make sure to get the same exact one. Or maybe a slightly bigger, I don't know.
Watch that, let's not dance. Watch that. Watch mommy now. Hey, DNT wine. Bossy dance.
Grandma didn't know how to dance.
You remember that?
Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day, Mommy!
Look who has joined us. Happy birthday. She's singing happy birthday. She's singing happy birthday. Because she knows it's a special day.
Mom, look! Mom, when Atlas was watching me, he just went up.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you so much. This is the best Mother's Day so far. I heard Ivy this morning when she woke up. Come in, Ozzy. And I just did this. Wayne? And he didn't even ask no questions.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Tami, I was out of that bed like a bat out of
Mama,
hell.
you took it down. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Did Daddy take care of you guys? What a good daddy.
Dada, show Mama Hulkbuster.
I will show her. Hulkbusters,
Okay.
his latest thing.
Sure.
Did you eat?
Sure now.
Are you guys hungry?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure now, Dad.
So sure.
Yes, Ozzy?
Mommy,
Hold
you're
on.
gonna have to open it like this because I did it on the wrong side.
Jackson's giving me his card, Ozzy.
Hello, Mama.
Oh, wow. Love. Is this me and you?
Yes.
Oh, my phone is ringing. Mom, the heart of the family and the queen of our hearts. Thank you. Thank you, Ozzy.
What's your butler
my
service?
Goodness.
Phone get bring. Remember what I told you, I checked said Tami wanted to stay in bed until 10:30, 11 a.m. But you know, mothers, them clock don't go off long. She up there, toss and turn, she wake up. I mean, this for her is sleeping in, to be honest. Because she wakes up with the kids, but it's just after 8. No, Tami, man, she should just go on.
It's okay, Wayne. I'll take a nap. Don't worry.
Okay, you have your contingency plans. Alright.
Okay, what was looking at over here?
Oh mama. She said my daddy was a good old man. He didn't 10 times in school. He didn't do my thing. Mama is that thing to do. Thing to do. Mama, you can depend on me now. 'Cause I see you trying your best. And it's time for me to to do the rest. You know the garnet sit there? Big tune. Run down the for your mother upon Mother's Day.
This is a card from all of them.
These guys did this all on their own.
What is this? You already gave me a card, remember? Another one?
Read it.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. You are the best mom I could ask for. We love you. Love Atlas, Ivy, Oz, Gio, Wayne, and Jackson.
Oh my god.
That's so good.
Tami, they didn't even tell me they were gonna do that.
Oh, it's great. I'm gonna save this. Let's show everybody the cards you made me. And Ozzy gave me a coupon book that have hugs and yeah, I love that coupon code. Coupon book. I'm gonna use a coupon today. This is beautiful. She remembered everybody.
Favorite Mother's Day ever.
Cards.
It's kind of like
Beautiful cards that I got. So beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Mom, you are the sweetest. Watch out. Mercy.
Ice cream.
Don't peel it off, Ivy, I'll get the card too. Yeah.
we got 4 cards.
I got 5 because Ivy made me 1, you made me 2, Ozzy made me.
I made you 3.
Okay, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Let's put these up on my coffee station.
No, this was Ivy's.
This is the life. At last spill him.
Hey.
Not really. I think it's done.
Thank you.
Mommy, you know what Ivy loves?
What?
Look. Ivy loves when you do that.
Don't say that, please. Stop right now. Atlas, don't engage. Yeah, you can try with the porridge.
Mommy, I said you don't have to cook anything for me.
I'm not preparing it for you, Baba. Do not follow him around and torture him. Go and play your thing or I'm packing up that pillow fort now. Okay? Ozzy?
No, I'm just gonna pack it up.
Ozzy? Please stop.
Stop! Oh!
Hey. Stop it. Stop it right now.
Dad, he's calling me mom.
Ozzy, come and eat your breakfast. Come on.
Stop.
Ozzy! Yeah, you can take on here, but wait, this is for you.
No, Mom, I don't want dinner.
There, I made you some toast, bacon, and eggs.
Thank you.
Where we get? Come over here, please.
Don't these like taste like a little bit You know this is
Jackson, come and get your breakfast.
Okay, coming on.
Mommy.
Thank you,
And then I put some in this. No.
Dad, this is good or no?
Seriously.
Careful.
Well, technically he's asking for it.
If there is blood because of food only. Power.
Yeah, let's go get you some water.
Why did she say water like power?
Uh-oh.
That wasn't me, right?
No.
Okay.
Here,
Said
Ivy.
water like water.
Ivy.
Water.
I think the water just spilled from Ivy's mouth.
Ivy, no more porridge? You have to try the egg and bread.
No, you're right.
I'll get you some water. Eat this in the meantime. I'll get you some water. You okay? You know where these go?
Up there. Gotta be careful with these.
These as well. No, that goes in this straw.
Like right here.
No, think about where that would go.
Oh, here.
Wow. Dress up nice in the Mother's Day here.
I think give myself a little date.
That's true?
Yeah. And then what I'm gonna do is while I'm on the road, I'm gonna just pick up the paint for tomorrow, so that hopefully we can start painting. So I want to make sure that all of that is here. So I'm just gonna do that. But Ivy just walked
4 or 5
me.
gallon nothing on my G.
So what? Man, I'm gonna lift it.
We know, but a whole heap.
A whole heap of money. Small date. Take myself on a small date.
The dear date.
Is that dear date?
Dear date.
Ivy just walk past me and gonna get ready. I'll see. Have a good time. I won't be long. You know I'm not gonna take long. I'm just gonna go do what I gotta do. Okay?
Where are you going?
Don't miss me too much.
Where is mommy going, Daddy?
As I said, I'm going to go get some peace and quiet.
Where is mommy going?
I don't think you could
Maybe
have
for
said
some
it
peace
better.
and quiet.
No, Mom, where are you going?
I'm taking myself out on a date. Come on, let's see.
Son and mom date?
No, not today. Oh, see my coupons here from Ozzy. Which coupon should I use today? This one is a chore of your choice. An ice cream date, just you and me. This coupon is good for picking up all my toys. I might have to use that one. This coupon is good for 30 minutes of peace and quiet.
Okay.
I'm definitely using this coupon.
Can you take me for the ice cream?
Today is a very tricky day to get ice cream, but maybe we can think of something fun to do later, okay? Shoes put on.
What's that?
Shoes put on.
What's that? She put on her shoes. 1 foot on. Is the right foot?
You think I should take her with me?
You can carry her if anything. It's just one. Let's take Ivy.
End up I take them too, you know. Father divine, this was supposed to be a...
She have on clothes
This
though?
Mother's Day is going all around.
No, sir.
Come. Let me help you. Okay, guys, so we just hit the road, and I don't know how I'm here with the U2, but I am. I haven't eaten anything yet today, so I figured we'd try and get something to eat. I'm not sure where we're gonna go yet. But we'll see.
Mommy,
Not sure how much I'm gonna vlog while I'm here.
tell Dad not to order anymore.
No, he has to order for Jackson and Atlas and Gio.
No, but we can just go in there right now and get it.
No, because we have to go to the hardware after this.
Them behave themselves, Tami?
Them behave themselves. You
Really?
know them not get in trouble once you separate them.
Exactly.
Remember you picked us up and then dropped us back off at school? Remember that thing?
What was that again? I don't quite.
The football game on the TV, remember?
Yeah, alright, so
Big TV.
we're actually going to the game later. We'll watch Mount.
2 different games
Yeah,
at
but
8 and 5.
yeah, but I don't know about the 8 o'clock one. The 8 o'clock one is a little bit late. That's gonna end at like 10.
Yeah.
And you guys have school tomorrow, so I don't think we'll be able to stay for that one. We probably can watch just the first part.
No, Daddy, we'll wake up early and we promise you this time.
Yeah, okay, but we'll definitely go catch the Waterhouse versus Mount Pleasant game. That's a 5 o'clock game.
I'm also going for paint.
it, guys. We revisited the paint colors again. Vanessa came in. She sent me two. I really like both of them. Wayne and I painted them on every single wall, and we chose one of them. I hope we're making the right choice.
Not my shot, man.
I just keep reminding myself, it's just paint. You can always do what? Paint the walls.
Yo, remember me told you, when I see the room with the paint,
Oh.
Una go faint.
Hey, I'm actually having a really lovely Mother's Day. Oh my god, I felt like I was gonna cry a while ago. I'm having a good Mother's Day. Yeah,
Tami, I well up.
I know. I love all of you guys.
we love you.
I feel very, very blessed all of a sudden. Like, you know, sometimes they just come over you.
Yeah.
Thank God. Everybody's okay. Thank God.
Geez, if you come home early enough, we can build the chairs, you know. Or we can do it later.
Yeah, we can do that. Or later with me and you and everybody goes to bed. And we can finish watching our little movie.
Yeah.
Dune.
Dune.
Love you.
Alright, love you.